Hello, Professor, colleagues. My name is Jean-Paul Salvant. In today's podcast, I'm going to show examples of physics in the occupation of a server. Everything from net force, support force, forces and interactions, heat, vibrations and waves, sound waves, and electromagnetic spectrum. As we all know, physics is in our everyday life, but through specific examples we can show how it applies. Net force is the sum of applied forces. Support force must have an upward force comparable to the downward force caused by the object's weight and gravity. If there is a tray with 9 glasses that are full, each glass full is about 1 pound, the net force to lift the tray and support it should be about 9.5 pounds to 10 pounds. Now, carrying the tray straight down the aisle in a constant motion is considered dynamic equilibrium, and standing still and allowing the guest to pass is static equilibrium, otherwise looked at like this. It takes 4.45 newtons per full glass, and there is 9 glasses resting on the tray. 9 times 4.45 equals 40.05 to support the tray. Lifting the tray without any of the glasses toppling over is an example of inertia. Using the tray to lift all of the glasses at once resists the motion of being off balance and stays constant. Acceleration is the net force divided by mass. If there's an empty trash can and caster weighs about 5 pounds or 22.25 newtons, a full can of garbage weighs about 50 pounds or 222.5 newtons, an object or person that exerts a force on a second object, that object will exert the reciprocal amount of force on that first object. As a server, you deal with a lot of hot plates and dishes. Carrying these dishes on my hands and arms, the heat is transferred from the plates to my hands and arms due to the temperature differences. On the restaurant, there's a large cacophony of sound waves and vibrations at all different levels, pitches, and frequencies. People speaking, background music playing, plates clacking, and TV blaring. All types of reverberations, refractions, and reflections of sounds can be found in a restaurant. Finally, the electromagnetic spectrum of lights play a huge part in the ultimate dining experience. Dim enough to be romantic, but bright enough for sanitary reasons, or properly placed mirrors to create illusion for a large room, or reflection of the natural light to bounce abound. Again, my name is Jean-Paul Salvant. Thank you for listening. This is how I see physics.